Children, the topic for today is articles. Now, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? The children are asking for gifts from Santa Claus. A boy says, I want a cricket bat. And this little girl in the yellow t-shirt, she's saying, I want an orange bag. And this little boy, he says, I want the biggest chocolate. Now children, a, an and the are called articles. An article is placed before a noun. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, a boy. When we talk about a boy, we mean any boy. An umbrella. When we talk about an umbrella, we mean any umbrella, not any particular umbrella. Now children, let us see how we use a before singular nouns. We use a before singular nouns beginning with consonants. Now consonants, I am sure you must be knowing or maybe you must have forgotten. So let us recapitulate. In English there are 26 alphabets. Out of those, 5 are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining 21 are called as consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these are consonants. So for example, a stamp, a desk, a chair, a table, a girl. In a stamp, S is a consonant. And here again in the desk, D is a consonant. And in a chair, C is a consonant. In a table, T is a consonant. And in girl, G is a consonant. So, we use A before singular nouns beginning with consonants. Now, if a word begins with a vowel but does not have a vowel sound, we again use A before it. For example, a university, a European, a uniform. Here, U is a vowel. U, E and U, they are vowels. But all these U words begin with a Y-O-O-U sound. So, if a word begins with a vowel but does not have a vowel sound, we again use A before it. Like a university, a European, a uniform. Now let us come to the concept of an. We use an before countable singular nouns beginning with vowels. Vowels, as we already know, they are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an axe, an igloo, an umbrella. In axe, A is a vowel. In igloo, I is a vowel. And in an, U is a and in umbrella, U is a vowel again. We also use an where the H is silent in a word. For example, an honest boy. When we say honest boy, the H is silent. See children, I repeat it again for you. Honest, H is silent. An honor, again H is silent. I repeat again, honor. Then an honorable judge. Here again the alphabet H is silent. An honorable judge. So I'm sure you must have understood the concept of A and an, which are articles. And A and an are called as indefinite articles. In the next session, children, we are going to study about the article though. So till then, take care of yourselves. Thank you.